Representing Spain, Frank Bernard Martinez.
This is Bayram Durdi Nurmuhammedov of Turkmenistan. Wins against Alban Bakiri and Muslim Maghsoudi so far.
Your judges for this contest come from Morocco, Afghanistan, Kazakhstan, Serbia and Armenia.
From Ashgabat, Nurmuhammedov, last 16 of the World Boxing World Championships in September. He's had an eventful couple of fights, Martinez. Second round knockout against Jonathan Mwinga, beautiful left-hand counter, sent his man crashing down. And then yesterday against Rupasara of Sri Lanka, there was a head clash after 42 seconds, and you can just see it there. Well, when he turns around, you'll be able to see it. It's near the bridge of the nose. It's on that left eye. The doctor stopped it. He was ahead and he got the win. So he didn't take anything out of the tank there, but there's obviously the physical damage.
Round one.
So Nurmuhammedov, Turkmenistan in the red, Martinez, Spain in the blue. To extend the jab there, Martinez. It's such an obvious target, that damage to the eye for Nurmuhammedov. I guess he just has to try and ignore that. If he manages to hit it straight on the button, then absolutely ideal, but you can just see it. It's like a bullseye in the middle of that eyebrow, because if he opens that up with a punch and the fight gets stopped, then he wins. Trying to rip with the lead hook there, Martinez didn't quite manage it. I think there's a bit of blood coming from the cut already, because every now and again you've got the guard up there, your own gloves will bang into it. Left hand, I don't know if it really landed clean, but he rolled away after it. That right hand landed. Nurmuhammedov just trying to put the pressure on here, punching a bit harder than I've seen him in the first couple of rounds. He was slightly tippy-tappy at times. Martinez banging away to the body. They're well matched, these two, by the look of it, into the final minute of this first round. There's a lead right hook, and that's exactly the kind of shot that's going to catch that danger area. Last 10 seconds. Nurmuhammedov just taking his feet a little bit closer, then launching that left hand on the inside. He's put some good pressure on in this round, Nurmuhammedov. The glove on the target area, which is the torso on the front and the side of the head. That is what you are looking for.
Round two.
As for how they land and what it looks like, that's not really important. It's what lands that matters. And that's the primary criteria. But of course, if you can't separate fighters on that, then you are looking at tactics, ring craft, and work rate. Nurmuhammedov has started the round quickly. Blood coming from the cut now. I don't think it'll be long before the referee sends him over to the corner. There's not that much of it. Good left hand there from Martinez. There doesn't need to be. Well, good exchanges between these two. Really good stuff in this round so far. Right hand there from Martinez. Right hand lands again from the Spanish fighter. And the referee's resisting the temptation here to send him over to the doctor, and that's good because he's just kind of dabbed at it, wiped it away. There's not that much blood there, and he's just going to let them fight. And it's a clean fight, this too. They're not really giving the referee any reason to get involved, and so he isn't. Left hand into the body there from Nurmuhammedov, and this is a sapping round, 90 seconds into it. A lot has been thrown already, and both of them just trying to see if they can make a dent in the other here. This is an absolutely crucial stage of the contest. Split scoring in that first round, remember. Is there a little nick to the left thigh of Nurmuhammedov, or is that transfer? Quite difficult to tell. Left hand from Martinez just wings over the top of the head of Nurmuhammedov. I think he might have a little cut on the corner of his left eye, Nurmuhammedov. This is the final minute. And the tempo's been high in this round. There's really nothing in it. Good left hand there from Martinez. That was a decent shot. Now he's been shown to the corner. It's Nurmuhammedov who's going to have the doctor have a quick look at him. I think it's just on the bottom corner of the eye, so it's going to run clear of the eye. It won't obscure the vision. And our doc at ringside will just tidy that up. So it's almost level pegging in terms of the damage, and they've done well with that because it's not opened up at all. It's got that little strip of tape on it. That's perfectly allowed. And it stayed in place, which is amazing, really, when you think about it. Good combination there from Nurmuhammedov. This has been a really good round. Final few seconds of round two. And these two have been right on each other from the beginning of the round. Good stuff, really good fight to watch this. Final round. He's up on 2 cards, 20 points to 18. The other 3 are level, 19 apiece.
Seconds out. Third and final round.
So 3 minutes to go here. Nurmuhammedov with the advantage. He's in the red. Martinez.B is in the blue. And the styles are blended well here, these two southpaws. Left hand over the top there from Martinez. Was a little bit around the top, around the back of the head. There was nothing deliberate about it. Nurmuhammedov gesturing that to the referee. Short right hook there from Martinez. Trying to chop down with the left hand there, Martinez. Nurmuhammedov just staying right on him. Left to the body from the Spanish fighter. Nurmuhammedov just trying to get his own punches away. Martinez finding a little bit of space. Head bowed, the man in red continuing to come forward here. Right to the body though. You can see what the referee's saying there. Just managed to curl the left in around the back of the guard there, Nurmuhammedov. They fought at a really good tempo, this. Fitness levels from these two are really, really good. A lot of punches have been thrown. Left hand there from Martinez, with Nurmuhammedov getting onto the inside. Good left hand to the body. Left hand straight through the middle there from Nurmuhammedov into the final minute. .30 seconds to go. And that tape is finally dislodged from that cut of Martinez. Nurmuhammedov just looking to target the body. And he's going to be sent to the doctor here. That tape, as I say, finally coming loose. And that's some good work by the team, by the Spanish team, to seal that cut up, and good work from Martinez as well to, I guess, protect it for the duration of the fight. It didn't seem possible, really. Final few seconds of what has been a very enjoyable contest between these two. Nurmuhammedov still just letting his hands go. He's been on the front foot all the way through the fight. Martinez has done some good work off that back foot at times. And there goes the bell. And real appreciation for each other there. And heading into that final round, Nurmuhammedov with an advantage, with two of the judges, a 2-point advantage. The other three cards, 19 apiece. So Martinez needs to bag at least two of them, and then the 3-2 split would take it to bout review. And there wasn't much in that final round. There wasn't much in any of the rounds.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of this contest via split decision, and now proceeding into the semi-finals. In the red corner, representing Turkmenistan, Bayramduri Nurmuhammedov.